Hi guys, today we are harvesting our glass gem corn and it's like opening Christmas presents because each one of these have so many different colors. It's so exciting whenever we open one and we get to see so many colors. So we opened a few and the two you are seeing are most colorful one, and we have more here which we are going to open. So we thought we are going to do it live and share the fun and excitement of opening glass gem corn with you. So here it goes. Alright, so that's our pile, guys, and here's one of the corns. So let's open it, see what's going on in here.
It looks pretty.
As you can see,
It looks pretty.
they come out like this, and this one has more pinks and blues in this one.
There's lots of yellows too.
Beautiful. All right,
Let's put it in our corn pile.
let's see what's happening here.
I'll open that. Eee, something ate it.
It's okay.
Ooh! And we have more.
So here is one with more
Yeah.
yellowish and pinkish.
It kind of looks the same. Let me take all the bad stuff out.
All right, let's see. Ooh, very plain this one.
Oh, that one looks nice.
Not that many color differences in this one. Let's see.
Let's see this one. Ooh, this one looks like a beach color, kind of.
Right?
Yep. And it's also pretty.
So this one has more
Like, you know.
darker colors, the darker blues.
Yep. Alright, got the corn.
Let's see.
Let's see what this one looks like.
This one has a lot of yellows in it.
Yeah,
So there you go.
vacation color. Like in the sand.
There you go.
Yeah. And we got this cool one that is.
Excuse me.
God bless you, Daddy.
Thank you.
This,
Ooh, a tiny one.
yeah. Doesn't have much color inside of it.
You are right. Doesn't have much color, so there you go.
That is what it looks like.
Ooh. Nicely done, sweetie.
A lot of
Let's see
white.
what's in this one. Whoa, look at that. Now this one has a whole spectrum of colors. This is one of the good ones. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks so pretty.
Wow.
Yep,
Impressive.
that's actually very impressive. Ooh.
All right.
Okay,
Let's see
let's see.
this one.
I'll open that. Ooh. Eee. It's a little hard to open.
It is, isn't it?
Oh,
There you go. This one is pretty bland. All right, to the next one. Let's see.
at the end, we'll show you all the corns we opened just earlier.
Perfect. And here's another one. Pretty bland. This one too, not very remarkable.
Yep.
By the way, we've grown these from the seeds we've saved from the corn we grew last year.
Yeah.
So I think the genetic diversity which these plants need should be grown at least 200 plants to get all the colors and to bring the best out of this corn. And I only had 30 plants, so I'm not gonna use these seed and give it to somebody because that'd be not good for the variety. But we did an experiment and used the seeds. So this is like second generation.
Yeah. Also, the seeds look different from last year. They look very, very, very different.
Here's another one.
It's so good looking, like. I'm still showing the camera.
Let's see.
Oh.
This one doesn't look that great.
I mean, we can make popcorn.
It didn't
out
get
of
a
it.
great pollination. It just got pollinated on one side.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can still use it for popcorns.
Ooh.
All right. There you go. And here is the second last. We have one more after this. And this one is more on the whiter side, pinkish probably. And I've noticed if you let them be after picking them up for a few days, the color develops even more. So we could have let them be on the plant for a little longer, but we're getting too impatient. This variety develops in 108 days, so it's been a long wait to get to this stage, so we picked them up today. And here's the last one. It's a teeny tiny one. Nothing much. It didn't get good pollination, so okay, now we're gonna give you guys a glimpse of what all we got.
These corns are so pretty, and we can make them out of popcorn too, actually.
And this is the total lineup, guys. Here are some of the best specimens we have. This particular one, you know, pretty, very pretty. And here's another one.
Hi.
Here's another one. Do you like this one, sweetie?
Yeah.
I like this one too. And which one's your favorite?
My favorite is all of them.
All of these?
Yeah.
And here's one which has these pink colors. So that's our harvest of glass gem corn, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it.
Bye-bye.